Hey, what's up everyone? You can see here I got a brand new Brinley Dethatcher in the box, and I actually got it from a lady on Marketplace, and she sold it to me for pretty cheap. Didn't know what to do with it. I'm assuming her husband bought it. They never used it. She just wanted it out of the garage, so I got a deal on it. I'm gonna open it up, put it together, and then hopefully in the morning try it out, and I will let everyone know how it works tomorrow, and we'll get to put it together now. Alright, I got the tape all cut. Let's see what this looks like. I don't know how old this is. See, it looks like it's almost put together already. Maybe just have to put the wheels on it. Sorry about that focus. It's an autofocus thing. It's terrible. I'm sorry. But see, brand new. I'm thinking it was a few years old. I don't know if they changed the model, but practically nothing off of Facebook Marketplace. Don't want to give away the secrets, but hey, garage sales, Marketplace, eBay, Craigslist, you can find some good stuff. And in this case, brand spanking new for nothing. And definitely looks like it's just a few parts here. And I'll get to put it together and show you the results. Alright, I laid all the parts out. As you can see, there's not much to it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces, if you count the owner's manual. Not a whole lot there. We'll get to it. There's a fair amount of bolts, but not a lot to put together. Let's see what happens. Alright, long time coming finishing this one off. I spent months and months. I bought this in the late spring, early July. Finally got it all fixed up, ready to go. It's now fall. Ready for the first test. As you can see, they say adjust your spine stones. So take 2 pieces of cardboard from your box, set it underneath there, and then you're going to put it in the travel position and then adjust your height. So I'm going to do that right now. And only problems I had setting this thing up from the other video was that on the wheels there are 2 bolts, 2 nuts that go on both sides of the wheel. They don't make that real clear because you can get away with just putting it on the outside, and it probably worked for a while and then you might notice some things, but I only put one set on first, noticed the other set, had to go back, take it all off, so remember that. I'll get this thing all adjusted and then we'll try to detach. So here's the result after one pass. Here in the middle is the area that's not been touched. You can see a lot of garbage on the ground. And we're into the stuff that hasn't.